Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later. On the application of Messenger, we go to settings, in this first page, you will click on settings here. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Messenger and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here in this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to